Them subs are really moving. I'm impressed with some 10s.
They're really, I just reconned them. They've only got about 10 hours.
Oh, they are? Okay. Still loosening them.
Really stiff.
Yes. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Nice. Well, these are 10s?
Yeah.
I haven't heard very many HCHCA 10s. This is cool.
You were in here 3 years ago or so. 3 or 4 years ago.
Well, there's not too many systems that do the 10. Most of them are 12s or 15s.
They had a 5K on them then. They got a 12K on them now.
Okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick? Go ahead, man.
Matthew, 4 HCCA 10s on the tear amps, half ohm.
Okay. Oh, there's the amp. Nice.
12K half ohm.
Wow. This box barely fit in here.
It was built in here.
Really? Wow. So this door don't open. This is extended.
Yeah, there's
okay.
doors.
So you actually built the box right here.
Yeah, Sean actually did.
Wow, that's impressive. That's some dedication. Do you know the cubes or the tuning or anything?
It's about 8.5 after displacement.
Okay.
And I'm not sure what it's tuned to. It peaks about 37.
Any SPL tests you've done on it?
It's the best it's done is a 157.4.
For some 10s, that's pretty crazy. Wow. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm very happy with it.
Very nice. Sorry, another question. Have you ever tried inverting it or always kept it mounted regular?
No, just because it'd be too close to the roof.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Wow, and you've done a good bit of roof work. And, oh, you've also done a lot of floor work too. Wow. Where's your lithium or your alternator? Oh, it's in the bed? Okay.
250 amp off and 50 amp hours of C-backs.
Okay. And this truck still got AC. Wow.
Take a minute, this black truck is hot out here.
Oh yeah, yes sir. Nice. What frequency response does the subs like being a 10?
I mean, I can play down in the high 20s.
Okay.
You know, mid 20s, I gotta start getting careful, but it plays on up in the high 40s.
Okay.
50s, fairly
That's
easy.
pretty good. 10s.
They're really, I just reconed them. They've only got about 10 hours.
Oh, they are? Okay. Still loosening them.
Really stiff. So
Yes, sir.
She's a little down on numbers today.
Yes, sir. These are nice doors too. Is that a 10, 8, and 6.5? Okay. Nice. So you got an SPL meter to kind of check yourself. That's good to do right there. I'm impressed with how you actually built into the vehicle.
Yeah. Trying to get every cube we can get.
Yeah, without going too high. Yeah.
Yeah, it's done at 57.6 at 37 is the best it's done.
Under 40. Wow. Have you ever done any kind of tweaking within the box for space or?
We put a 45 in there, and it seemed like it dropped just a little bit, but we took about a half a cube out.
Okay. Got it.
Nice. Yeah, when you were here last time, it was doing a 50. It just like a 150.
You went way up.
Here.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay. So the lithium bank's in the back.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I see in the box.
In the bed bank. In the bed bank.
Okay.
Carrying a bunch of stuff so you can.
It's okay. I see it. Yeah.
It's up in front of the.
Got it.
Under the tarp up underneath.
Oh, okay. Over there. Yeah. Keeping it cool. Also, the sun's cooking everything. Yeah. Nice. And you have this at half ohm?
Yes.
Yeah.
It rises to 1. We clamp 10,400 in the lanes.
Nice. All right. Thank you for showing me everything. This is
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Matthews system at the 2023 Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show. Definitely one of the top loudest 410-inch subsystems I've ever heard, and being in a small cabin of this truck, definitely impressive. That's the Google image of the Orion 8CCA rated at 2,000 watts RMS, so he's probably getting an optimal amount of power to this system. And notice the port there behind the driver's seat, really optimal layout for an SPL style system, and it's still really musical. Was playing down into the high 20 hertz range well during the demo you're going to see. And if you notice the way he said he built into the vehicle, always optimize in your system. If you have tight cabin space room, building into your vehicle to get the most amount of cubic space is always best to do. And notice the way he has right at the window line. So anybody that SPL competes knows you have to stay below window line, or I think it's between 12 and 18 inches or something like that from top to bottom of the sub. I can't remember. Maybe somebody can comment. Total of 12,000 watts on 410s. Definitely the top 10-inch subwoofer system demo I ever heard for 4 of them in a truck like this. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't. I do daily car audio videos every day on Jacob Vile. Hit that like button, comment what you like about his system, and enjoy this impressive 3-minute demo.
All right. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Nice, man.
I get disrespectful. Treat y'all all the same. Got them stones on my neck, nigga, flooded out. Hurricane Irma on my neck, nigga, flooded out. Hurricane Harvey on my wrist, shit, flooded out. Nigga, flooded out. VVS is flooded out. Hit the booty club, nigga, and we flooded out. Take a project, bitch, and get her flooded out. You can build a belt, fuck it, I'm finna build a thigh. Yeah, ice on, nigga, now it's lights out.
Song hit good on these. That's a good song selection. What was that tone? That frequency that felt around your peak that was really loud.
Like mid-high 30s.
Okay, yeah.
About 37.
Wow, that's nice. Them subs are really moving. I'm impressed with some tens.
They're really, I just reconed them. They've only got about 10 hours.
Oh, they are? Okay, still loosening them.
Really stiff. So
Yes, sir.
He's a little down on numbers today.
Yes, sir. Well, thank you very much.
Yes,
nice
sir.
to meet you again. Your name again?
Matthew.
Matthew. Thank you, Matthew, for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.